Hello everyone, I'm Rose and welcome to Rouge of Rose and welcome to the fourth video and shade of a 7 Shades of Rainbow series. If you don't know what I'm talking about, in this series I take each shade of the rainbow and use it as the protagonist of my entire look. And for this video, if you could not tell yet, the shade is green. This video, as you can see in the title, I am finally, after being told over and over and over again, I'm doing a full face of makeup. Yay! I have this wedding to attend and coincidentally the outfit I'm wearing is green, so I thought this is the perfect chance to do the shade makeup and to show a full face of makeup as well. Before you get to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on to get updated every time I post. Now without any further yapping, let's get to the video. So whenever doing a full face of makeup, the first step I do is always to wash my face properly with face wash, and then I like to take an ice cube and rub it all over my face. I learned this trick from when Sofia Carson, the actress, did this collaboration with Nikki Tutorials, and she said that whenever she rubbed ice on her face, it left her skin feeling more tight and it felt like her skin would take the makeup well. So I started doing the same ever since. I rub the ice on my face with whatever cold water is left on my face. I just leave it on until it just dries up on its own. After all the cold water has dried up from my face, I go in with moisturizer and moisturize properly. Usually, of course, I go in with the foundation immediately after I have done the icing part, but today it has been quite a while, but my face is still cold, so I'm pretty sure it will do the same work. So for foundation, I use this Golden Rose Long Stay Matte Foundation in the shade 6. I don't really like too much of a full coverage foundation, so I really like the finishing of this foundation particularly. Of course, never forget to get the neck and the ears. And I don't really like using concealer. I really like a really light base makeup, or else I feel like I usually go overboard with my eyeshadows, so I feel like I'm just a bit too much, and there's nothing wrong with being too much, it's just I don't like it for myself. So my next step is to take translucent powder and set my face. It goes directly on my under eyes, mustache and chin area, and my forehead. I leave this on for about 5 minutes and be right back. Then just brushing all of that out. Then I take a much lighter shade of setting powder and go all over the face with it. I usually do full face of makeup like this only when I have events to attend. Apart from that, I don't really like going this heavy on my base. I basically do nothing. But to keep the lip hydrated. Then I use the very light shade of concealer I have to put it on my lid and make my eyeshadows pop more. For this look, the first step is going to be doing a classic smoky eyes, and if you have not watched that video yet, with this particular look, I am going to keep the black shadow up to only my natural crease line because I have 2 more greens to go above that with. With the clean brush going on the edges of that and blending it out, I'm going to give the entire look a very angular shape. I'm going to pack on black shadow over the liner I used and make sure to pack and not swipe to avoid any blotchiness. For the next step, I'm taking this green, going right on the edge of the black. I'm going to take a smaller brush and start blending the black into the green. Then I'm going to take this lime and go on the very edge of that green. Of course, I'm going to put black liner under my lid. Now for the lower lash line, first up I'm taking black liner to the waterline. Now to smoke out the lower lash line, first I'm taking that dark green, slightly taking that green right along that black. And I'm taking that lime green right under that. Now for the highlights, first up I'm taking that same lime green into the inner corner. Then I'm taking this golden cream shadow I have into the inner corners and brow bone. Then over that I'm going in with golden highlighter. Of course, by now you noticed I don't do my brows as well because alhamdulillah I'm blessed with really nice brows and I hate doing brows. For the cheeks, first up I'm taking this peach blush. For highlight, first up I'm taking this cream highlighter I have, slightly tapping it on. Then on top of that I'm going to go in with powdered golden highlighter. And I'm going to take this Flash Moment Nude lipstick in the shade 403. I always put in my liquid lipsticks while I still have some of the Vaseline left, so over the time it doesn't lose its moisture. Once the liquid lipstick has dried down, I go over it with a little bit of highlight. So this is my look all complete. I'm going to go and get completely ready and be right back. And this is my look all complete. I was vibing with this look a little too hard that day. I was literally just checking myself out every 5 minutes, and it was a really great day with my best friend. I am so grateful to have been able to share this with you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below what kind of makeup look you want to see next. I post new videos every week, so to stay updated about my next uploads, make sure to follow me on all of my socials. It's all linked down in the description below. And to make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos of the 7 Shades of Rainbow series, hit that notification bell, and if you have not watched the previous ones yet, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember to take care of yourself, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!